Right, hello everyone. Hope you guys are all having a great day. This is the Common Gear, and today I'm going to be making a small little short video for you guys, basically just showing you how to add your vehicles to the site, and then once that's done, I'll show you guys how to add some projects and any maintenance entries you may have. And for those of you guys who aren't quite as familiar, the Common Gear is an online digital profile for your vehicles. Within this profile, you're able to log any maintenance, history, modifications, ownership updates, etc., etc. There's really no limit to the information or stories you want to add about the vehicle. It's basically just an online library or profile that gives as much info on the life of the vehicle as possible. And the cool thing is it's all online and it's accessible to the public. And it's also a really good tool for when it comes time to sell the vehicle. A potential buyer is really going to like to see all these maintenance documents and all the modifications logged in one spot digitally for them to view at their leisure. So jumping right into it, if you look at the top right corner, if you haven't already made an account already, you're going to see a little button up here that says log in. If you have made an account, you're going to see, these two tabs, my account and log out. If you haven't, make an account. Takes just a couple minutes, and from there you can start adding some content and getting your vehicle documented. If anyone has any questions on that, feel free to email us or leave a comment on this video. Once you've made an account, when you come to the home page here, which you can access by clicking the top left Common Gear, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Add Site Content. From there, you're going to add a vehicle. And once you add a vehicle, well, before that, put in the name of the car. So, for example, I have my E30 on here. So I'll just enter the name. I already have it up, but I'll just kind of show you guys how the process goes. You can put the VIN, the year, make, model, all that stuff, and then add a few photos of the vehicle. I just did a couple of the outside, interior, and a couple beauty shots. I also kind of went overboard, but again, there's no limit on the information you can put on here, so I put a nice little entry on where I got the car, the modifications it has, etc., etc. Once all that's done, also, for supporting documents, you can add in any maintenance you have, any records of repairs, any receipts. All that stuff can be added, and then I'll show you guys how to view that. And a little tip, you can actually go on the Notes application if you have an iPhone or an Android. There's a camera button, and from there you can scan all your maintenance records, email them to yourself, and it's a really easy way to upload them onto the site. Once you've added the vehicle and you've entered in all your information, from there, you can go add project post or maintenance post. For this example, I'll do project. And again, if you're doing an oil change, you can say, 25,000 mile oil change, suspension install, exhaust revamp, whatever you want to do. Once you enter the title, go ahead and select your vehicle. In this case, my end-all be-all driver's car, that's what I named my E30. I'll probably change that. You can enter the date you did or performed the modification or maintenance, the odometer, and then you can upload any pictures, whether that be pictures of the car up on the lift or a receipt of the parts, anything. And then the project post summary, you just simply give a little description as detailed as you want it to be on what you did to the vehicle and what you were trying to achieve. You can also add some images, which I also showed you above, and then you just go ahead and save. Now, once you do those things, I'll show you how they look. So if I go to my account, on the top right here, I can see my vehicles. There I see my E30 that I've already entered. I got a picture up there. Down here, it shows me all the information on the car, even purchase price if you're comfortable putting that in. And then I added a couple beauty shots of the car, so anyone who's viewing my profile can see that. And then also down here below, there's my vehicle summary. Again, you don't have to put this much information, but I wanted to kind of go overboard and I was a little obsessed at the time, so I did a nice write-up. Basically said how I got the car and all the things I wanted to do to it, what I liked about it, and what I wanted to change, etc., etc. Once the vehicle's up, I can also add projects, like I said, and then this is where it gets really cool. I've only had this car for probably 10 months, and I have all these little things documented. And it's really exciting because, in a little while, a couple years down the road, I'm going to have a huge library I can scroll through. For example, this is when I got my Euro Weaves installed. I made a little write-up here. Still waiting on my center caps to be painted. But yeah, I just posted a few photos. I gave some information about the modifications, where I got the wheels, what I wanted to achieve. And yeah, same thing with my exhaust. Put the odometer in there. So the thing is, when you upload them right away, you don't see that instant gratification, but over time, it's going to be really nice to have a feed of your vehicle, and all of the documents and maintenance is online. That's a really big thing for people these days, especially enthusiasts. So go ahead and make an account, throw your car up here, start logging it, and share with the friends, share with everyone, because it's a really good way to get that information up there regarding your vehicle. Hope everyone has a great day. And again, any questions, concerns, or comments, direct it to one of us or leave a comment down below. All right, guys, have a wonderful one. Bye.